In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PMT formula in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. The PMT function is used to calculate a fixed periodic payment for a loan or an investment when the interest rate stays constant and the number of payments is fixed. This makes it especially useful for things like mortgage payments, car loans, personal loan installments, and even certain savings plan calculations. To follow along, let's use a simple example. We'll work with a loan amount of $250,000, an annual interest rate of 6%, and a loan term of 5 years. Enter those values into your sheet so you have sample data to reference. In this example, the loan amount is in cell B2, the annual interest rate is in B3, and the loan term in years is in B4. Now let's calculate a monthly loan payment. In a blank cell, type the formula equals PMT, then open parentheses, B3 divided by 12, comma, B4 times 12, comma, B2, and then close parentheses. This formula works because B3 divided by 12 converts the annual interest rate into a monthly rate, and B4 times 12 converts the loan term from years into months. When you press Enter, Excel returns the monthly payment. You'll usually notice that the result appears as a negative number. That's normal because Excel treats it as money flowing out. If you want the payment to display as a positive value instead, simply add a minus sign before the formula. So you would enter equals negative PMT, open parentheses, B3 divided by 12, comma, B4 times 12, comma, B2, close parentheses. This gives you the same payment amount, just shown as a positive number, which is often easier to read in reports. You can also include a future value if you want some balance remaining at the end of the loan term. For that, use equals PMT, open parentheses, B3 divided by 12, comma, B4 times 12, comma, B2, comma, 5,000, close parentheses. In this case, Excel calculates the payment based on leaving a remaining balance of 5,000. If payments are due at the beginning of each month instead of the end, enter equals PMT, open parentheses, B3 divided by 12, comma, B4 times 12, comma, B2, comma, 0, comma, 1, close parentheses. That final 1 tells Excel the payment happens at the beginning of each period. As a final tip, always make sure your interest rate and payment periods match. For monthly payments, convert both values to months. Also remember that PMT assumes a fixed interest rate and equal payments throughout the term. If you want to break payments into interest and principal, use IPMT for interest and PPMT for principal.